Now we are going to start our next chapter, psychopharmacological agents or antipsychotic agents, both having same meaning, or under this same part we have to discuss. Antipsychotic agents are also known as psychopharmacological agents, in which firstly we have to study what is psychosis, what is psychic condition, then major tranquilizer, minor tranquilizer, then schizophrenia, mania, then what happened in the psychosis. After that, antipsychotic agents, their classification. Screen is visible to all.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In antipsychotic agents, we have to study what is psychosis, then psychic condition, after their classification and pharmacology. Psychosis, psychic means mind ill, that is illness of mind. Then psychic is affected by various stimuli which produces behavioral change, is termed as psychosis. Do you see psychosis patient? There is behavioral changes, right?
Yes.
Okay. So psychosis, it is condition which is affected by various stimuli. There is different stimuli affected in this psychic condition and which produces behavioral changes. This is termed as psychosis. Psychic means illness of mind or mind is ill. Then psychotics, the pharmacological agent which produces psychosis are known as psychotics, same as that of anesthetic. The agent which produces anesthesia are known as anesthetics. Like psychotics, these are the agent they produces psychosis, not treat psychosis. Okay, these agents are known as psychotics agent. And on this condition, जे agent आपण treatment साठी use करतो, that agents are known as antipsychotic agents or psychopharmacological agents. Then examples of psychotics: morphine, LSD, then alcohol and nicotine. LSD, we are already discussed. What is the long form of LSD? LSD, lysergic
Lysergic
acid,
acid diethylamide.
Lysergic acid diethylamide.
lysergic acid, diethylamine, alcohol, and nicotine. These are the psychotic agent. So psychotic agents, these are the pharmacological agent. They produce psychosis are known as psychotics, and the agent which are used in treatment of this condition are known as antipsychotic agents or psychopharmacological agents. Then next, types of psychosis can be as follows. Psychic condition, that is illness of mind. It is affected due to cerebral deformity and affected due to anxiety and depression. When it is affected due to cerebral deformality, it is major psychosis. ज्यावेळेस ते cerebral deformality मध्ये affected झालेलं असतं किंवा because of cerebral deformality मुळे mind affect होतं, that psychosis is known as major psychosis. And when it is affected by Depression or anxiety. Anxiety म्हणजे भीती and depression, you know. So because of this, then this is minor psychosis. Then this condition, then minor psychosis is known as mania, while major psychosis is known as schizophrenia. You have to remember two terms. Major psychosis is the schizophrenia and minor psychosis is mania. And they are affected. Major psychosis affected due to cerebral deformity and minor psychosis due to anxiety and depression. All of you understand what is psychosis and types of psychosis?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Major psychosis is also known as what? Schizophrenia. And minor psychosis is
Mania.
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 okay. Then antipsychotic agents. These are the pharmacological agents which are used in treatment of psychosis or psychotic condition is known as antipsychotic agent. These are the pharmacological agent when they administered, they relieve a symptom of major psychosis and minor psychosis are also known as antipsychotic agent. Antipsychotic agents are also known as psychopharmacological agents. What is major psychosis?
Schizophrenia.
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 Condition is termed as schizophrenia and minor psychosis is termed as
Mania.
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 You have to remember these two things. Then ह्या दोन कंडिशन हे जे सायकोसिस आहेत मेजर अँड मायनर फॉर दिस सायकोसिस कंडिशन जे ड्रग्स आपण ट्रीटमेंट मध्ये देतो दॅट ड्रग्स आर नोन ॲज व्हॉट
Psychotics.
antipsychotic
agent
or
or
psychopharmacological.
psychopharmacological agent.
Okay. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay, there is two conditions, schizophrenia and mania. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Major psychosis is also known as schizophrenia and minor is mania. So on this condition, the agents आपण use करतो, these agents are known as antipsychotic agent or psychopharmacological agents. There are three definitions or terms for antipsychotic agent. All of you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then mechanism of action of antipsychotic agent. Screen is visible to all.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Roll number 8. Major psychosis is also known as sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
What is psychosis? Or major psychosis is also known as,
Schizophrenia.
and minor.
Mania.
Okay. Antipsychotic agents are also known as antipsychotic agents are also known as anyone?
Physiopharmacological agent.
Physiopharmacological agent.
Pharmacological agent.
It is not physios. Psychopharmacological
Psychopharmacological agent.
psychosis, like that. P silent है तिथं pronunciation. During the pronunciation, it is as psychosis or psychopharmacological agent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then mechanism of action. The competitive blockade of dopamine receptor. There are different types of receptor: dopamine receptor, cholinergic receptor, serotonin receptor, muscarinic receptor, nicotinic receptor. Particular category ज्यावेळेस येईल at that time you know different receptor. So in which antipsychotic agents they competitive block or blockade of two receptor. First one is dopamine and second is serotonin receptor. This mechanism of antipsychotic agents. Then classification. Mechanism समजले?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
They competitively block the receptor serotonin and dopamine. After that, classification of antipsychotic agent. There are main three classes. First one, antipsychotics. They are also known as neuroleptics or major tranquilizer. Then second, anti-anxiety, anxiolytics or major tranquilizers. Third one, antidepressant. Again, subclasses 2, and in first, antipsychotics or neuroleptics. Again, 2 subclasses. So firstly, antipsychotics agents, that is major tranquilizer, in which first one phenothiazine derivative, their example, chlorpromazine. Second, rauplea alkaloid, their example, razorpine. Then anti-anxiety or anxiolytics, minor tranquilizer, their example, diazepam, oxazepam. Antidepressant, 2 subclasses, tricyclic antidepressant and MAO inhibitor. Tricyclic antidepressant, imipramine, and MAO inhibitors. There is monoamino oxidase inhibitor. Their example, tranylcypromide. This classification of antipsychotic agent. How many classes?
3.
Mainly 3 classes are there.
Okay. Roll number 68. Shinde Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the classification. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. $68. Shinde, read
Yes,
the
ma'am.
classification of antipsychotic agent.
Antipsychotics, neuroleptics, tranquilizers, pendine derivative, example chlorpromazine, propyl alkaloids, example respirine.
Second class,
Antextilic minier tranquilizer, example diazepam.
anti-anxiety anxiolytics or minor tranquilizers. Roll number 50.
Yes, madam.
Read this classification properly from first class to third.
Okay, madam. First, antipsychotics, neuroleptics, major tranquilizers,
Psychotic, antipsychotic.
antipsychotic. A. Phenothiazine derivative. Example, chlorpromazine. B. Rolfia alkaloid. Example, reserpine. Second, anti-anxiety anxiolytics, minor tranquilizer. Example, diazepam, oxazepam. Third, antidepressant. A. Tricyclic antidepressant. Example, uh, imipramine. B. MAO inhibitors. Example, tranylcypromine.
Okay, good. So this is classification of antipsychotic agent. Antipsychotic agents are majorly classified into three classes. First one antipsychotic, second anti-anxiety, third one antidepressant. So first one antipsychotic, they are also known as major tranquilizer. Tranquilizer, firstly, what is tranquilizer? You have to know. Okay, firstly classification बघूयात, after that tranquilizer. So in which two classes phenothiazine derivative, their example chlorpromazine, Raulfia alkaloid, their example razorpine, anti-anxiety, they are also known as anxiolytics or minor tranquilizer, their example diazepam, oxazepam. These examples we are already discussed in which classification? Do you remember? Diazepam, oxazepam, lorazepam. In which class? Anyone?
Non-barbiturate मध्ये sedative किंवा hypnotic second
Sedative
class.
in the sedative and hypnotic, non-barbiturate in non-benzodiazepine. Non-barbiturate मध्ये benzodiazepine चे examples होते. So then third one class is antidepressant. A. Tricyclic antidepressant, imipramine example, and MAO inhibitors. B class in third class in their example tranylcypromine. Raulfia, you are already studied in first year. What is category of Raulfia? Use of Raulfia.
Angina pectoris.
And
Yes.
Angina pectoris.
Angina pectoris category.
Yes, madam.
Okay,
There is
proper Antihypertensive agent in which Rauwolfia in which Razorpine, this example which act as antipsychotic agent. Chemical content है Rauwolfia's, right? Razorpine. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Reserpine,
ma'am.
serpentinine.
Rauwolfia serpentina. Dried roots and rhizomes are used. Okay, this is classification of antipsychotic agent. Then tranquilizer. Tranquilizer means these are the antipsychotic agents. When they are administered, they produces calming effect, calm condition, peaceful condition. That is, and decreases the anxiety. Anxiety means fear, worry. They decreases or reduces. These agents are known as tranquilizers. Tranquilizers are antipsychotic agents. They produces or they induces the calming effect, calming condition. That is peaceful condition or nature, and reduces the anxiety state. That is, they decreases fear, worry, and tension. These agents are known as tranquilizer. There are two classes of tranquilizer: major tranquilizer and minor tranquilizer. Major tranquilizers are known as antipsychotic and minor tranquilizers are known as anti-anxiety or anxiolytics. This one also asked for MCQ. Okay, all of you understand classification?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
मॅम ट्रँक्युलायझरचे डेफिनेशन रिपीट करता का? वाईस येत नव्हता.
Tranquilizers are the antipsychotic agents. When they administered, they produces calming condition or calming effect, calm condition, peaceful condition, and decreases anxiety state, that is fear, worry, are known as tranquilizer. Tranquilizers are classified into two classes, major and minor, in which in the screen, major tranquilizers are also known as antipsychotics and neuroleptics, while minor anxiolytics and anti-anxiety. Tranquilizer produces calming effect. This one also important for MCQ. First class मध्ये again two subclasses आहेत and in third again two subclasses आहेत आणि in between second जो class आहे त्याचे example same like that non-barbiturate in sedative and hypnotic. ह्या वेळी लक्षात ठेवा. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
अशीच काहीतरी ट्रिक करावी लागणार आहे, अदरवाइज ऍज सच सगळे क्लासिफिकेशन पॉसिबल आहे का लक्षात ठेवणं? डोपामाइन and acetylcholine, लगेच you have to remember the classification of anti-Parkinson's agent. Okay, this is classification. After that, antipsychotics, neuroleptics or major tranquilizer, in which first one phenothiazine derivative. Their example chlorpromazine. It is first antipsychotic agent. It is used in treatment of schizophrenia. What is schizophrenia? What is schizophrenia?
मेजर सायकोसिस. मेजर डिस
Major sir.
Psychosis.
affected due to cerebral deformity.
या स्लाइड मधून काय लक्षात ठेवलं तुम्ही? मेजर सायकोसिस आणि मायनर सायकोसिस. ऍटलीस्ट हे तरी लक्षात ठेवा. मेजर सायकोसिस इज सिझोफ्रेनिया and minor psychosis is mania.
मॅनिया.
जर तुमचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन असेल आणि स्क्रीनवर प्रॉपर लक्ष असेल, then it is easy to solve MCQ. So phenothiazine, it is first antipsychotic agent. It is used in treatment of schizophrenia. It produces tranquilizing effect. What is tranquilizing effect?
Produce calming conditions.
Calming
Calming
effect, that is
infection.
calming
Effect.
infection.
Effect.
Okay. Tranquilizing effect means calming effect. Then reduce emotional outburst. जो emotional outburst आहे, it will be reduced by this derivative. It reduces emotional outburst. Then in the first class, screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the first class, phenothiazine derivative, it is first antipsychotic agent which is used in management of schizophrenia. That is, it is used in treatment of schizophrenia, that is in the major psychosis. It produces tranquilizing effect. Tranquilizing effect means sound is audible to all.
Produce calming effect.
Calming effect. So then reduces emotional outburst. जो emotional outburst आहे, it will be reduced by chlorpromazine. Then when it is interest in taking food in schizophrenic patient, it induces, that is it produces interest in surrounding. जर हा आपण क्लोरप्रोमॅझिन एजंट सिझोफ्रेनिक ज्याला मेजर सायकोसिस आहे त्या पेशंट मध्ये दिला, तो in which in this patient this chlorpromazine act as antipsychotic agent and make or produce the interest to taking the food to that individual. That is in schizophrenic patient, chlorpromazine produces interest in the food. Then therapeutic dose possess atropine like category. Atropine category. Atropine is acts as anticholinergic agent. That is anti-secretory agent in general anesthetic. Ether is combined with atropine. At that point, we discussed atropine is act as anti-secretory agent. Do you remember?
Yes ma'am.
Discuss केलेलं
Yes,
की?
ma'am.
हा मॅम रिझन मध्ये डिस्कस केले.
So the atropine having anti-secretory property, or it act as anti-secretory agent. That is, it produces dryness of the mouth. So when we given therapeutic dose of this chlorpromazine, it shows atropine-like activity, that is dryness of mouth. Then change the reaction towards stimuli. Stimuli towards the reactions आहेत. That reactions in any individual which is changed by this antipsychotic agent chlorpromazine. Also, it promote the lactation and brain, and also in weight gain. Chlorpromazine also act as antihistaminic agent, that is to stop the responses of histamine. Also, it promote the lactation. Then in female, it produces pseudo pregnancy, and in the male, it produces gynecomastia. It acts as antiemetic agent. What is antiemetic agent?
Stop the action of
And-
emetic.
Stop the action of enzyme.
Emetic. What is emetic?
Prevent omitting.
Meeting.
Prevent
Prevent.
omitting.
Means emetic means these are the agent that produces emesis, that is nausea and vomiting. And the agent which are used to treat this emesis condition or emetics are known as anti-emetic agents. So chlorpromazine is also act as anti-emetic. Then it act on CTZ. What is CTZ? What is CTZ? Chemoreceptor trigger zone. हे जे chemoreceptor trigger zone आहे, this is responsible to cause emesis. Okay, here this antipsychotic agent chlorpromazine act as anti-emetic agent and which shows their action of chemoreceptor trigger zone that they are responsible for nausea and vomiting. When it acts as anti-emetic agent to stop the nausea and vomiting by acting on chemoreceptor trigger zone. Okay. Do you understand what act chlorpromazine on CTZ? Chemoreceptor trigger zone जे आहेत, they are responsible to cause nausea and vomiting. तर त्या ट्रायगर झोन वरती त्या रिसेप्टर वरती chlorpromazine act होतो. Why act as anti-emetic agent means to prevent the nausea and vomiting. Then chlorpromazine have large number of pharmacological action, so it is termed as large active. Has a large number of pharmacological actions आहेत. Firstly, antipsychotic agent in treatment of schizophrenia, then emotional outburst reduce करतं. After that, interesting in taking interest to schizophrenic patient to take the food. Then category or activity same like the atropine, then change the reaction towards stimuli. Then it produces pseudo pregnancy and also in the male produces gynecomastia. Then act on CTZ, chemoreceptor trigger zone. Then it prevents the nausea and vomiting. It promotes the lactation and also weight gain. या various and also long-term use जर केला chlorpromazineचा, then it causes dyschardia or screen rashes. So these are the large pharmacological action. Therefore, it is known as large active. MCQ is asked on this point. Why chlorpromazine is known as large active? Then their answer will be from it is first antipsychotic agent up to their various pharmacological actions. Therefore, it is known as large active. All of you understand? Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. समजले reason why chlorpromazine is known as large active, because chlorpromazine having large number of large active, that is large number of pharmacological action. Therefore, it is known as large active. All of you understand the reason?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सगळे प्रेझेंट आहेत ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam.
Okay. Then its long-term use. Chlorpromazine is a long-term use केला, then it causes jaundice, skin rashes and photosensitivity. Jaundice माहिती असेल? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the long-term use of chlorpromazine may cause jaundice, blood dyschardia, skin rashes, and photosensitivity. Photosensitivity means extreme sensitivity to UV rays from sun or others. This is about chlorpromazine, first antipsychotic agent. On their pharmacological action, this reason is asked or this question is asked, why chlorpromazine is known as large actile. Roll number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Why chlorpromazine is known as large actile? Anyone?
Chlorpromazine have a large number of pharmacological actions.
Okay, at least in short तरी सांगा. Roll number 33. यांनी जसं सांगितलंय तसं. Pharmacological, because it having the large number of pharmacological action. Then which large number of pharmacological action? That is from first. It is act as first antipsychotic agent. It is used in treatment of schizophrenia and all these pharmacological action.
Act as a CTZ.
Tranquilizing effect.
Act on the CTZ. Roll number 66. 66 roll number. शेंडगे अक्षय. Absent it. Okay. 65. 65. Roll number 65. Naikwadi. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 67.
Yes, ma'am.
Why chlorpromazine is known as large actile? In short, it is like 1 mark sentence. Because it having large number of pharmacological action. Therefore, it is known as large actile. Yes, roll number 67. Do you understand reason or answer behind this question? Voice येतोय सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, reply immediately. $67, are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in girls, anyone can tell why the chlorpromazine is known as large actile.
Chlorpromazine is a
Have a
large number of pharmacological action is known as
pharmacological action.
large acting,
Action.
and
Then,
it produces psychopharmaceutic
give me the
agent.
pharmacological actions.
First antipsychotic agent used in treatment of schizophrenia, tranquilizing effect, antiemetic agent, reduce emotional
CTZ, prevent nausea and vomiting, then produces pseudopregnancy in male gynecomastia, then promote lactation. Its therapeutic dose produces atropine-like property. These are the wide or large number of actions, therefore it is known as large actile. I give more time for this point because it is important. Okay, the next, Rauwolfia alkaloid. Their example, razorpine. It produces tranquilizing effect. It produces relaxing effect. It has no antihistaminic activity. These 3 points Antihistaminic means they stop the actions or responses of histamine, that is they prevent allergies and hay fever. Tranquilizing effect, that is calming effect, and relaxing effect, you know. So this is about razorpine, that is Rauwolfia alkaloid. Okay. Chlorpromazine have antihistaminic activity or not? Chlorpromazine जे agents आहेत, they have antihistaminic activity or not?
Antihistaminic activity.
असते. They have the antihistaminic activity, while Rauwolfia alkaloid, in which razorpine, they do not have antihistaminic activity. Okay. Then next, second class, anxiolytics or anti-anxiety agent. And another term for this,
Minor tranquilizer.
minor tranquilizers. Roll number 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Read about anxiolytics. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Anxiolytic, these are used in anxiety state, also known as minor transacular. These are the agents which administered in the manic individual, relieve tension and fear, remove nervousness, and produce sense of well-being. These agents are known as anti-anxiety agent. The agent facilitate effect of GBBA receptor and activation in CNS.
Okay. This is about anxiolytics agent, where C second class of antipsychotic agent. These are used in anxiety state. Anxiety means fear. Okay. So also known as minor tranquilizer. Then this is the definition. Third one point is, these are the agent when they are administered in the manic individual. Mania is major psychosis or minor psychosis?
Major psychosis.
Minor.
Minor
Minor.
Mania.
Don't be confused. Screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mania is major or minor psychosis?
Minor psychosis.
Minor
psychosis.
Okay, remember it carefully. So these are the agent when they are administered in manic patient, that is in minor psychosis or in mania conditions individual. Then it relieve means to remove or to reduce the tension, fear. Tension आणि fear relieve करतात, remove करतात किंवा reduce करतात. Also remove the nervousness and produces sense of well-being. And these agents are known as anti-anxiety agents. म्हणजे हे agents आहेत ज्यावेळेस आपण administrate करू in manic patient or in mania condition, then they relieve tensions, fear and nervousness and produces sense of well-being. Sense of well-being समजतंय? Well-being means तुम्ही good आहात. Means remove from manic condition, from psychosis condition. These agents are known as anti-anxiety agents. This agent facilitate effect of GABA receptor. GABA means gamma amino butyric acid receptor, and activity in and activation in the CNS. Means हे agent GABA receptor वर effect facilitate करतात and activation of central nervous system produce करतात. This is about anxiolytics or anti-anxiety agent. All of you understand definition of anti-anxiety agent? Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Definition समझिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you means all students.
Yes, ma'am.
They are the pharmacological agents. They are When administered in manic condition, then they relieve tension, fear, and remove nervousness and produces sense of well-being. These agents are known as anti-anxiety agent. Well-being, sense of well-being. तुम्ही ठीक आहात असा सेन्स प्रोड्यूस करतं आणि फिअर अँड टेन्शन जे आहे नर्वसनेस आहे ते रिमूव्ह करतं. दिस एजंट्स आर नोन ॲज अँटी-अँझायटी एजंट्स. देन थर्ड वन क्लास antidepressant agent. Antidepressant agent again classify into two subclasses. Roll number 60. Core. $59.
Yes, madam.
Okay, roll number 60 absent. 59. Tell me the classification of antidepressant in antipsychotic agent. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay, reply quick, fastly reply करा. Marks
Antipsychotic.
बघायचे आहेत ना? Okay, antipsychotic in which first class?
Phenothiazine derivative. Example:
I am
chloropromazine.
asking third class.
Anti
Antidepressant.
replacement. Antidepressant. Tricholyc antidepressant. Imperimine. Myo inhibitors. Tricycline. Trenylcarpamine.
3. In the classification of antipsychotic agent, third class is antidepressant, in which again two subclasses. First one, tricyclic antidepressant, their example imipramine, and MAO inhibitor, their example is tranylcypromine. This is about third class. Okay, roll number 38. Purne.
Yes, madam.
Read the antidepressant class.
Mainly used to treat depression. These are the pharmacological agents used in treatment of depression known as antidepressant drug. Tricyclic antidepressant block repeating of
Okay, ठीक है. Stop here. So antidepressant means these are the pharmacological agent. They are used in treatment of depression. These are the pharmacological agent. They are used to treat depression are known as antidepressant agent. Definition समजते सगळ्यांना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Two subclasses. First one, tricyclic antidepressant, and second, MAO inhibitor. Tricyclic antidepressants example. Imipramine. Okay.
Impramine.
Imipramine and MAO inhibitor example, tranylcypromine. So in first class, tricyclic antidepressant, it block reuptake of norepinephrine and increase the availability of neurotransmitter near the receptor. Means हे जे tricyclic antidepressant agents आहेत, they block the norepinephrine, that is noradrenaline, which having sympathomimetic property and increases the availability of neurotransmitter near the receptor. रिसेप्टरच्या नियर न्यूरोट्रान्समीटरची अवेलेबिलिटी इन्क्रीज करतात आणि जो काही रिअपटेक आहे नॉरएपिनेफ्रिनचा, दॅट रिअपटेक ब्लॉक बाय ट्रायसायक्लिक अँटीडिप्रेसंट एजंट. Then MAO inhibitor, it prevent oxidative deamination. MAO amino oxidase inhibitor prevent oxidative deamination of serotonin, catecholamine, and increase the functional availability of monoamines in the brain. MAO inhibitor काय increase करतात? Increase the functional availability of monoamine in the brain. Brain मध्ये monoamine ची जी काय functional availability आहे, it will be increased by MAO inhibitor. While tricyclic antidepressant increases availability of neurotransmitter. जी neurotransmitter ची availability आहे near the receptor, which is increased by tricyclic antidepressant. And also MAO inhibitor prevent or block the oxidative deamination of serotonin and catechol. And tricyclic antidepressant block the reuptake of norepinephrine. Means हे जे subclasses आहेत antidepressant मधले, they increases and also block. एक activity increase करतात आणि एक decrease करतात. All of you understand antidepressants?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
MAO inhibitor काय increase करतात?
Functional availability of
Functional availability of
monoamines in
monoamines
brain.
in brain.
And tricyclic antidepressant, what increases?
Availability of
Increase
neurotransmitter near
availability
the
of
receptor.
neurotransmitter near the receptor.
Neurotransmitter रिसेप्टरच्या नियर आहेत, क्लोज आहेत, त्यांची जी काय अवेलेबिलिटी आहे विच इज इन्क्रीज्ड बाय ट्रायसायक्लिक अँटीडिप्रेसंट आणि अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ मोनोअमायनो नेम इंडिकेट इटसेल्फ. सो ती जी मोनोअमाइनची जी फंक्शनल अवेलेबिलिटी आहे विच इज इन्क्रीज इन द ब्रेन बाय MAO inhibitor. Then MAO inhibitor prevent what?
Oxidative determination
deamination
of
of
serotonin and
catecholamine.
catecholamine.
Catecholamine आणि सेरोटोनिन हे जे दोन रिसेप्टर्स आहेत, देन त्याच्यावर जे ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह डिअमायनेशन आहे, MAO मीन्स मोनो अमायनो ऑक्सिडेट, ते ऑक्सिडेटिव्ह डिअमायनेशन प्रिव्हेंट करतात. आणि ट्रायसायक्लिक अँटीडिप्रेसंट काय प्रिव्हेंट करतात?
Block reuptake of
नॉरइफिनेफ्रिनचा जो रिअपटेक आहे that it will be blocked by tricyclic antidepressant. This is all about antidepressant agent. In classification of antidepressant agent, there are mainly 3 classes: antipsychotic, anti-anxiety, and antidepressant. Each and every classes we will see their explanation here. Where antipsychotic agent or psychopharmacological agent finish, or we completed psychopharmacological agent or antidepressant agent, antipsychotic agent. समजला antipsychotic agent? All of you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In this chapter, we discuss what is antipsychotic agent. Antipsychotic agents are also known as psychopharmacological agent. Then firstly psychosis. Psychosis म्हणजे काय असतं? It means illness of mind and it affect the behavioral changes. Then जे drug psychotic produce करतात, they are known as psychotics. Psychosis produce करणाऱ्या agents ना psychotics म्हणतात. And on their treatment, the agents are used are known as antipsychotic agent. Then there are types of the psychosis. First one major, second one minor. Major is known as what?
Schizophrenia.
Schizophrenia.
Minor.
Mania.
The definition of this antipsychotic agent, they are used in treatment of major and minor psychosis, or they relieve the symptoms of this major and minor psychosis are known as antipsychotic agent. After that, their mechanism, they block the serotonin and dopamine receptor. Then their classification, majorly 3 classes. Then important part in their classification is reason why chlorpromazine is act as large active because it having the large number of pharmacological action. Rausia, razorpine having antihistaminic effect or not?
Not.
Not.
No. Razorpine do not have antihistaminic effect, while chlorpromazine having antiemetic antihistaminic action. Also, anti-anxiety drug. This is same example like that non-barbiturate, diazepam, oxazepam. Anti-anxiety agent means these are the pharmacological agent. They are used to relieve nervousness, anxiety, and fear, and they produce a sense of well-being. They are known as anti-anxiety agent. Then antidepressant means these are the agent used to treat depression. Then two subclasses, tricyclic antidepressant and MAO inhibitor, in which MAO inhibitor increase
Functional
Functional availability of
in brain.
monoamine in brain.
and prevent MAO inhibitor prevent
Oxidative deamination of serotonin and catecholamine.
and tricyclic antidepressant, they block reuptake of norepinephrine and increase the availability of neurotransmitter near the receptor. This is all about antipsychotic or psychopharmacological agent. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
रिझन कोणतं लक्षात ठेवायचंय? Which reason from this chapter?
Chlorpromazine is known as large active.
Why chlorpromazine is known as large active? आणि जो याच्या अगोदर बघितलेला चॅप्टर all of you understand psychopharmacological agent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many classes?
3 classes.
3 classes.
Classes.
3
Classes.
First class is
antipsychotic.
Tranquilizers,
Antipsychotic.
major
in
tranquilizer,
which first one?
phenothiazine,
Phenothiazine derivative
Phenothiazine
derivatives and
Phenothiazine derivatives.
and Raulinia alkaloids.
Chlorpromazine.
Rauwolfia alkaloid. Then second class
anti-anxiety,
Anti-anxiety, anxiety, and
Minor
minor
tranquilizer.
tranquilizer.
their examples.
Diazepam,
diazepam,
Diazepam.
Then third class
Antidepressant.
this is all about psychopharmacological agent. Here we complete psychopharmacological